In this video, we learn about styles in Android. Create a new project and name it styles. Go to layout, change container to a linear layout and set orientation to vertical. Imagine we want to add a text view and set some of its properties. Set it to be center and set its text to be text view 1. Now we want to set, for example, 4 of these text views properties. We want text size to be 30 sp, text color to be green, and text style to be bold, and typeface to be serif. Now imagine we want to add another text view and use the same properties in this text view again. We have a way to copy this four properties and paste them in our text view. But now we copied ourselves. We copied 4 lines of our code. To prevent that, we can create a style. Go to resources, values, and themes. Here we can define another style. Use the style tag, the name of the style. We use a text view for our style name, and we can set its parent. We want our style to inherit all of Android text view properties. So we set its parents to widget.appcompat.textView, and only we want to change 4 of these text view properties, this style. Only we want to change text size to be 13 sp, text color to be green, text style to be bold, and typeface to be serif. Now that we created our style, we can use this style text view instead of these 4 lines. And if we want to change the style, we only change it in one place. Now imagine we want to change the color of the second text view, and we want to create another text view with the same properties. We copied the 2 lines. Instead of doing that, we can create another style which inherits all of our first style properties. To do that, use the text view, name of our first style, and dot, and name of our second style, which is colored. In this style, just add an item and change the color to purple. And instead of these 2 lines, we can use our text view dot colored style, and the result is the same. Thank you for watching.